Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the VRTUALX token. Ticker symbol is VRL. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting November 9th on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So VRTUALX is a decentralized blockchain-powered mobile phone network. This groundbreaking initiative leverages the power of eSIM technology, allowing users to activate their mobile services instantly without the need for a physical SIM card. So this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. There is a total supply of 100 billion VRL tokens. So far, they only have 75 holders. 8 decimal places on this token, according to their BSC scan. Now, this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting November 9th at 13 hours UTC time. This token will be listed on MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, how you'd get this token is you'd simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search VRL, and then simply just buy the token. So VRTUALX is more than just a mobile network. It's a transformative force in the telecommunications industry. As the first ever 5G mobile network in both the UK and the EU to seamlessly integrate blockchain technology, VRTUALX is setting a new standard for what a mobile network can achieve. This pioneering initiative is not merely an incremental improvement over existing networks, it's a radical reimagination that aims to completely revolutionize the mobile phone network landscape across the UK and the EU. By leveraging the unparalleled speed and connectivity of 5G technology, VRTUALX promises to deliver an ultra-fast, highly scalable mobile experience. But what truly sets it apart is its innovative use of blockchain technology. This integration serves multiple purposes, from enhancing security and transparency to creating a unique reward system for users. VRTUALX takes a forward-thinking approach to sustainability by focusing on digital SIMs, known as eSIMS. Unlike traditional mobile networks that rely on physical SIM cards, VRTUALX allows users to activate their service instantly through digital means, thereby reducing the carbon footprint associated with the production of distribution of physical SIM cards. This not only makes the network more eco-friendly, but also more efficient and user-friendly as well. The end result is a mobile network that is sustainable, efficient, and rewarding in ways that have never been seen before. Users of VRTUALX don't just get a mobile service, they become part of a movement towards a more sustainable and technological advanced future. So they go over the whole history of SIM cards, basically, on their white paper if you want to check that out. Now, you can find their Twitter at VRTUALX UK, and you can see on their Twitter, they also have a link there to their Telegram, which is at VRTUALX UK. 5,287 followers on their Twitter so far. And on their Telegram, 5,415 members on their Telegram. So they're doing pretty well on their socials there. Now their webpage is in the MEXC global announcement, and that is VIRTUALX.UK. Right at the top right-hand corner of their webpage is a full white paper if you want to check that out. So this is not just another player in the mobile network industry. It is a game changer with a vision to disrupt existing norms. While the network does offer the traditional option of a physical SIM card, its primary focus is squarely on the digital SIMs, commonly known as eSIMS. This strategic emphasis on eSIM technology brings a host of advantages that sets VirtualX apart from its competitors. So they go over how this is more sustainable, how it's more eco-friendly, how it's more cost-effective, affordability meets innovation. It's got a seamless user experience, which is the icing on the cake, they say. And then they have the token. So in a move that further distinguishes VirtualX from traditional mobile networks is the introduction of the VRL token, which adds an entirely new dimension to the user experience. This proprietary digital currency serves multiple purposes, from rewarding customer loyalty to facilitating a range of financial transactions. So there is an earning mechanism. There's rewards programs. There's traditional loyalty points. Every time a user tops up their V-Mobile account, they're rewarded with VRL tokens. So it's an incentive to use the network. And it also has trading, so flexibility at your fingertips. You can trade it for, Tether and various other cryptocurrencies. And it's got security and transparency. It's on the Binance Smart Chain. And in the future, there will be more future use cases beyond rewards, it says as well. So security, speed, efficiency, future partnerships. Now how the token is split up, 3% of the tokens go to seed sale, 7% private sale, 20% marketing, 15% team, 5% advisors, 10% liquidity, 20% development, and 20% rewards. It's a BEP20 token with a total supply of 100 billion, and they have a lengthy roadmap, but basically it starts out with research, then the company formation, pre-launch development, ITO, exchange listings, so that's kind of where we're at right now. They just got this big central exchange listing. Partnerships, then they're going to have network deployment, marketing, network launch, EU expansion, and then USA, Canada expansion. So check this all out, virtualx.uk. You could find their full white paper PDF, 13 pages, very tiny print. You could read it for a while there. And yeah, if you don't have an MEXC global account and you're looking to get this token, check out the referral codes down there, and you'll find one in the description box. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video and subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out my Patreon down there in the description box if you want to help support the channel. Hit the join button or super thanks. Also, there's a Facebook in the description box you could follow as well. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.